today's video, I'm going to share with you a few home remedies how to get rid of cockroaches for good. They are mostly found in kitchens, bathrooms, and those dark spaces. Before I forget, my name is Clifton and welcome to Concrete Projects, home improvement, home consulting and home DIY channel and hacks. Bay leaves. Cockroaches are repulsed by the smell. You're probably gonna need a few, but it's a nice natural way of sending them away. Garlic and cayenne powder. This is simple, just sprinkle it in their favorite hanging out spots. Lemons. Just mix some lemon juice and water in a spray bottle and spray it in those hard to reach areas. It also acts as a natural sanitizer and it smells nice. Vinegar with peppermint oil. Lots of insects can't stand these two smells. Just add some vinegar in a spray bottle about halfway. Add enough peppermint essential oils so you can smell it and spray away. Catnip. Your cat might love it, but cockroaches not. Put some fresh catnip in a sachet. You can use a shear or other porous bag. And just put it in the popular spaces. Grow some catnip in your garden and you will have an endless supply. Cucumber. Keep a few slices in a tin jar and leave it as is. The reaction between the cucumber and the tin jar emits a smell the cockroaches don't like. And no, don't put a cucumber in your eyes. Well, it might work, you won't see them. You can also make some traps with ingredients you probably have at home. Baking soda and sugar. Take a small lid of an empty container like milk or juice. Add some baking powder and sugar in it. In another lid, add some water next to it. The sugar will attract the roaches and eat the powder mixture. Once they drink the water, it reacts with the baking soda and dead. Another trap is a coffee trap. Roaches are also attracted to the smell of coffee. Use a clean glass jar like a pickle jar. Take a small plastic cup and add some wet coffee grounds. Place your cup of wet coffee grounds inside the jar. Fill the rest of the jar with water just below the top of the cup. Once they get into the jar after the smell, you won't get out because they're not good swimmers. And finally, if you see the infestation is beyond your control and the home remedies doesn't work over time, it's probably too late. So phone the professional. Have an awesome day. Bugger. Get it? Bugger. And remember, keep it simple.